Today in reading, our reading objectives say, I can read a beginning reader text. We're going to go over how to do an independent reading from our library. First, I want to tell you that we're doing the 100 book challenge, and we're up to 8 books now. We read Homes Around the World the other day. These are the bins that we're using for our library, and we're going to get them in virtual school through our Launchpad. These are reading strategies that we use in reading group and for independent reading. Today, we're going to be working with Eagle Eye. Eagle tells us to look at the picture, and Lips the Fish says to say the first sound. For example, we know that we probably learned this pattern when we were reading our bird in school book. Here is his. But what if we didn't know what this word is? Eagle Eye would say, look at the picture. And in the picture, we would notice that bird has this in his hand. And Lips the Fish says, say the first sound. So look at the first sound of this word. It is b, b. And then you put it together with a picture and you get backpack. Excellent. So when you get stuck on a word today, you're going to use Eagle Eye to look at the picture and Lips the Fish to say the first sound to figure out what it may be in the books that you choose from our library. Today you will read a book from the ARC library. Here's our focus. You'll be ready to tell us what your book is mainly about. You will use Lips the Fish and Eagle Eye if you are stuck. To find your book, you're going to find your book by choosing from the yellow library. You're going to go to Launchpad and choose this icon. And this is the link that you will use to go to Launchpad. You're going to click right here and go to your Launchpad. In Launchpad, you're going to look for that school pace that we saw. Now yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because you have a lot less icons, but that's the one that you're going to click. When you get to the ARC library, you will see all of these books. There's 52 books in the yellow collection. For today, we're all going to choose the yellow collection. So you're just going to go down here. You're not going to choose the first yellow one because those books are too easy. You're going to go to this yellow collection and choose any of the books that you would like to read from here. And you open them just by clicking on it and then by using this tool to go to the next page. That is how we choose books for independent reading from the ARC library. So now that we have our book and you guys are ready to go, you get comfy, and I'm going to be setting a timer in class. You can set this timer for yourself at home, which is a 5-minute timer. And then I'm going to call everybody back to the rug, which is really back to the classroom. And you're going to come back into the Google Meet and let us know what is your book, what is the book you read mainly about. So we're just going to read for 5 minutes and you're going to do it to yourself. And then you're going to come right back when you hear the timer. And if you're reading at home, you can set the timer here and come right back. Then you're going to answer that question for me in the Google Meet we answered together. But at home, you can click on the video in response to this to give me your answer. Okay, and your assignment is to read from the yellow library for at least 15 minutes on your own. That's it. That's what the reading assignment is today. Just explore the yellow library and read for 15 minutes on your own. So you can set the timer 5 times, 3 times each, or you can just read for 15 minutes on your own by using the timer that I have put in the activity slides.